Oh, I see it now. I see the timer. What is up, you guys? Skull here, and today we on episode 2 of Skullcraft. Yes, I'm bored and I have nothing to do, so Skullcraft season 2. Let's start. And next, why I'm doing Skullcraft so early. Yeah, the damage. Well, my last Skullcraft video. Why can't I jump? My last Skullcraft. Yeah, I can remember that I ended the video early. Not so early, I don't know. But in this Skullcraft, we have new weapons. Lots of new weapons. And what else? New everything. Topaz. Oh, yeah. Actually, I didn't even get her. Well, too late for that, but the next episode, you're going to be seeing someone special. And that's Andy. Yes, she's joining Skullcraft. Shoot. Next question. Have you heard of hit licks? Yes, some new people do at school now. Yeah, cool, but hit licks are really dangerous, and I'm still slipping. Wow, first goal is to find a village. Village, right, everything. Also note this one, like I would, is decorative blocks over here. But my goal is to try to get home full time number in the first episode. Was the next episode. So let's start. Okay, at this point I can't pause because yeah, it won't. If I do pause, I'm gonna just end the video off real quickly. So look in Minecraft. Oh, surface coal. I forgot I had new structures mod to the world. I just deleted some mods off of it, and I forgot I had new structures. Hold on. Okay, now let me open it. Okay, good food. My game's lagging. Okay, gold. And I'm gonna make a craft table or a bed. Yeah. Okay, this is actually plain luck. I'm not even gonna lie. I found some of this quickly, but I'm gonna get wood. Oh, the game just froze for a second. Or my recording, doesn't matter. Or this doesn't matter. If Andrew, I might definitely TP her. Wait, she's even on? Hold on. Oh, cheat is on there. So I can TP Andy anytime I need. So I think this should be my house or Andy's house. How am I gonna get in? Is there a door? Or is there anyone to get in? Oh, found it. Oh, what? It's supposed to be there's barrels in here with another gap, arrows, more food, another gapple, more apples, more apples. Whoever made this mod, I love them so much. No, you know, yeah, I know, I love the mod. I love the mod. Yeah. Oh. I forgot to do that, but okay. Food. Eat. Okay. You know, the first episode of Skullcraft, then yeah, I deleted the world by accident. It was on my phone. I didn't know how to on my phone. On my phone. Yeah, I couldn't talk at that point. Well, I have more ores too, so yeah. Let's just get started with the wood and stuff. I don't have time for this. So I think the first thing I should a wooden pickaxe, golden pickaxe, I can go. I've got some more that I added, but I am Bedrock Edition, so nothing that good. I might put some of the mods in the link in the description below. First, y'all should definitely like, subscribe. Oh wait, the mod is glitchy. The 100 day mod. This is not 100 days, even he can download this, but I'm here to sleep. It's easy to download online, but sleep. Did I even sleep? Looks like I did, but the first thing I'm making, guys, is nothing. Hey, Annie. Are you okay? Well, she's mad at this point. What? Okay, this one is gonna make her. Hold on. Onyx. Blackstone. Deep slate. Hold on, I can get this. I can get these very quickly. I'm gonna see. Yeah, definitely my village. But right now, I'm going to make a stone pit. Wait, mod added a. This one, unbreakable. This one's unbreakable. Like, I need something that's super unbreakable so I won't have to destroy everything I get. So right now, can I make a dagger? If it's not laggy. Oh. Wait, this Marlogic crap got up. One of these Marlogic crap got up. Oh my god. Hang on. Hang on. Wooden box. Hold on. I'm gonna try and make. At this point, it's bigger than anything, so we're gonna make this quick. I'm gonna try all this stuff. I'm taking all this stuff with. So welcome to Skullcraft, episode 2 with South Sea. Let's hurry up. We have more mods in the future. Yeah. I'm coming to make the video, so Skullcraft episode. Oh wait, that gave the heck go in it. I didn't know that one. I'll show you this later. Yeah, I'm gonna need to make some. I'm gonna make this quicker for me. Yes, it's still looking on a pickaxe, but it can be broken. So yeah. What the heck is this? A golden flint and steel. Hold on. Are you saying I can make a golden flint and steel? Oh wait. Oh, I can't figure out too. And now we can leave this off and never talk about it again. I played this one of these mods before, like the one I just made a cool act out of, but I played in a while, so I might have forgot to change the crafts out of it. What the heck is that? There's another tree. So I got a question, guys. Should I do more vlog? Lay an egg. Lay an egg. Lay an egg. Get me lay an egg. Okay. Cave grass. Would they just lay an egg? I'll survive one day in this world. I want to make this to a series. I actually make more videos like this. Please just lay an egg. Lay an egg, please. Just one chicken. Yeah, even that's fine. I can make an infinite chicken farm. Hold on. Oh, but I feel like mob. I bet it's stalagmite or stalactite. Oh, stalagmite. Because it isn't 1.17. I'll start mining for a while. But give me a limit. I shouldn't have some pickaxe, but too late for that. But right now, I look for some iron. Trade me iron. What the heck is that? I can mine it. It's topaz. Oh, and it's like. Hold on. Let me make a stone pick. That's freaking me out. Can you make a stone or a coal? Can a coal pickaxe even mine that? I can hear that in the background when I'm not doing that. You know, I want to take my luck. Do this. We're trying to get. Yes! No, I can't. It's my luck. What? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end on this call me for no reason, but I'll see you in my next video. Peace.